First, let's open our Messenger app. Next, go to your group where you want to create a poll. Next, tap the plus icon at the lower left part of your screen, next to your typing area. Next, tap the poll icon in the middle. Now, here you can already type in your questions for your poll. At the same time, you can also add your options. Once you're done, just tap Create Poll. If you wish to add an option to your poll, just tap your poll, then go to Add Option. Once you're done, just tap Submit. Thanks for watching! Hope you hit the like button and subscribe!